Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to your class 1 science class. So we have to do the revision of your PT2 syllabus. That's your 9th chapter animal around us and the 10th chapter food and homes of animals. You already get the syllabus and your exam is already here, already held also. So the animals around us, from this chapter we can see the many kinds of animals around us, right? Many kinds of animals around us. And some animals who lives on land, they are horses, dogs, cows and rabbits. They live on land and they are called the land animals also. And the water animals, some animals lives on water, that fishes, octopus, crabs, dolphins, whale, shark, those all are the water animals. But there are also some kind of animals who lives on land and in water. They are frogs, tortoise, ducks, crocodiles. They live both on land and in water. And the fishes use their fins to swim the water, so they use their fins and tails to swim the water, and that is fishes. So you have to remember it very attentively. And about the wild animals, the some animals we can see them in the forest, but we can see them also in the zoo. And they are tiger, lion, horses, zebras, giraffes, elephants. We can see them in the forest or in the zoo. And giraffe is the tallest animal. Elephant is the largest animal. But if I ask you who is the largest animal in water, that is whale. You have to read the question very attentively, because when I asked you on your online class, some of you give me the wrong answer. So that thing you have to first read attentively, then give the answer. That if a question you get that who is the largest living animal in the water, here is the mentioned water, then that is whale. So next is the pet animals. So some animals we can see around our home, in our neighborhood, around us, and some animals they live inside our home also. So they are the pet animals. We can pet them. So that's why they are pet animals. And we should treat our pets with love and care. So that's why they are pet animals. If we give them love and care, they will be our pet also. And they are cat, dog, rabbit, cow, goat, they are also. But we can only take in our home cat and dog and rabbit. So give them clean water to drink. We can keep the parrot also, and if we have to, if any those animals we can keep in our home, but we should give them love and care. And we have to care them by giving the clean water, giving the food, enough food, and provide the good shelter of them. Keep them clean and never tease them. So we can care them, those pet animals. Okay. Next is the birds. You already learned about birds. The birds are the animal which can fly, which have the wings. And you know their example: pigeon, crow, sparrow, cuckoo, dove, duck, hen. So those all are the birds. And some of birds can swim. So you know the example, right? That duck and swan can swim. But some animals have wings, but they cannot fly. So they are kiwi, penguin. Kiwi and penguin. So that's about the bird. And bird have wings to fly. Okay. And the insects are very small animals, we know that. And those insects that are as the very small, and some of insect we can see every day in our home, and you know their name, that mosquito, ant, cockroach. We can see them in our home, right? And there are also housefly, butterfly, bee. So those are also insects. So they have also wings and they have 6 legs. Okay, so that is the description about insects. Insects who are very small animal who have wings, who have 6 legs, and they are example are mosquito, cockroach, butterfly, housefly, and etc. So this exercise part you already answered me already in your offline online both classes, and I hope you practiced it also. So if you have any problem from this chapter, you can ask me on your chat box of e-portal. And the next is food and homes of animals. So from this chapter, the plant eaters, you know that some and every animal eat the different kinds of foods. Some animal eat only plants, grass, leaves. They are called the plant eaters. So you know the example, right? The horse, cow, goat, elephant. So those are all the plant eaters. And the flesh eaters, those animals who eat only the flesh of other animals. Those are tiger, lion, wolves. They are the flesh eaters. And the grain eaters, those that is for birds mainly. Birds only eat grains like pigeon, cuckoo, and crow eat flesh also and grains also. But the pigeon, sparrow, parrots, they are the grain eaters. And insect is eaters who eat the only insect. They are the chameleon, lizard, spider. Those are the insect eaters. Okay, so that's about the eaters and which food they eat, which kind of food they eat. And the homes of animals, you know that everyone needs home to protect themselves from heat, rain, cold, and other animals also. So those animals, every animals need their own home to protect themselves and their babies also. So here bird makes their own nest, rabbit makes their own burrow, spider makes their own web. But some animals don't make their own home, they just find it and they live there. So they are lion, they lives in den, monkey lives on tree, and snake lives in hole. But there are also some kinds of animal, for them human makes home for them, and they are cow. Human make shed for cow. People make stable for horse. We make kennel for dogs. And we also keep the aquarium in our house, and we keep various types of fishes inside this aquarium, right? So that is their home which we make. Some of animals make their own home, but some of animals also they just find their home and they live there. So that's about food and homes of animals. And here exercise part is also so easy. We already did it and in offline online both class. If you have any problem, as I already told it, ask me on the chat box of e-portal. Okay everyone, so read these 2 chapters very attentively, because tomorrow is your science exam. So you have to read very attentively those 2 chapters and practice this exercise part of these 2 chapters also very attentively. Okay, so have a nice day and bye, and best wishes for your exam. Bye.